Hey guys, Andrew here. Today I'm at Trevett's Auto Service. And today we're going to be looking at some cars. So, like I showed you, those cars over here, they were all junk. See, the cars that they were trying to fix, they were all junk. Like from the video that was the ghost truck that was in that garage last time, but now the ghost truck is out here. So, here it is, the Trivett is right here. So, like it says, this label on here means Trivett. Because this truck right here was in the garage last time ago. And they don't even use that truck anymore. So that truck was a ghost right now. I mean, last time it was the ghost truck that was acting strange with the headlights and stuff. And so right here, see the truck is right behind me, and it was pretty creepy. So anyway, here's the Silverado like I showed you. All those cars that I showed you are around here. So there's a Toyota right here. You can see it. So I'm gonna show you the inside of it. There's nobody. Pile of clothes. Right from this video, from this garage right here, they were trying to work on this truck that I showed you earlier. So that ghost truck was just right in that garage last time ago, but they don't even use that ghost truck anymore. See? So anyway, I'm gonna keep showing you the vehicles. Like I showed you, it's the Dodge Ram. They showed you. Yeah, it's called the Dodge Ram 25,000. Orange. I don't even know that number, but anyway. So all those cars are just getting repaired because there was something wrong with them. Or they broken down or crashed. Every kinds of stuff like that. So like I showed you, all those cars right here, they were junk. So in the front it says Ford on it. You can see it. So they're trying to fix all those cars. And all kinds of stuff like that. See, there's 2 flat tires on the sides on that Ford car right here. You can see it right here. And there's a Jeep, like I showed you. That Jeep is called the Grand Cherokee. Yeah, that's what it says on it. And there's a AAA, like I showed you. And there's another AAA truck over there, just like this one over here. So that's a tow truck, like I showed you. This truck was in that garage last time, but now this tow truck is out here. And remember this car? That's another car over there. The GT Eclipse, the Mibish. And on the license plate you can see SFX 2885. Yeah, in God we trust. So I've been exploring this garage for like an hour. So Because all those cars that I showed you last time, they were all junk. Ain't that right?
Not all of them.
Not all of the cars are junk when they're not used for a long time. So they just had to quit working on them.
Hey, watch that white truck. They're getting ready to leave.
But yeah, that's
That's a parts truck.
the Ford parts truck. Yeah, like my mom says, he's getting ready to leave. See him?
Told you.
Yep, she was right. So we've been here at the Trivett Auto Service like an hour. So, because I've been showing you all different kinds of cars. Because every different kinds of cars are like trucks, buses, taxis, and everything.
Yeah.
So here's more. So, like I showed you, that's the Ford Escape.
Look, there's the Trivett right there working.
Yep, that's my papa working over there. Yeah, and here's the Avalanche. So there's my mom's car. That one's the Dodge Ram, just like that truck over there. And Papa's been driving this Jeep. That one is the Hummer. See, it says Hummer. Here, you can see it. So like I showed you, those cars were right there. Yeah, there's a truck here. Sorry for the guys. It's flash. So there are many different kinds of cars around the world. Some of them are not used, and some of them are abandoned, and some of them they just run. There can be any different kinds of vehicles, like trains, cars, trucks, and everything. So whenever you see that sign, it can be always located in Cloverdale. So I'm gonna show you the inside of the garage like I showed you last time. Here's the Geo Metro. See the color on it. And remember this car? That is the black Cadillac. Yeah. There's many different kinds of cars. And right here, that's the Toyota Rava. And here's the Chevrolet Astro. So I'm gonna show you this guy here.
Wow, who is that guy?
Yeah, that's you.
Wow. Looks like some type of hippie.
So anyway, guys.
What's up, man?
So fine. But anyway, YouTube. This is, this guy right here works for the garage.
Yeah.
So he's been working here for a long time.
I've been working here
Yes.
for a little while.
Yes. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi.
Yep, that's him. He works for the Trivett Auto Service. Up here. So, hey Mom, what's that car that's up here?
I don't know, but see what Papa's doing?
See, he took the tire off to place a new one, and the other tire is right here, but the rim on that one was missing. But on this Toyota right here,
It's a Camry.
yeah, it's like my mom says, the Toyota Camry.
Now you stay out from there because Papa's
Yeah.
looking.
So So, yeah, those guys were been working on those cars all day. So, there can be any different kinds of cars.
In a few minutes, we're gonna go get a pizza.
Yeah. So that's the Trivett's Auto Garage tour. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've never been in at Trivett's Auto Garage and looked at some other cars like these, leave a comment down below. Make sure you hit that like button and hit subscribe. And tap that bell to get notifications from me. Except for my first YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.